This is a review of the Titan Grill Grate. We've had this thing for over 3 years and it's one of our absolute favorite things in the fire pit area. You see, we are tamping down the stake. This is what holds the grill grate, and it's very sturdy because this is 5 feet tall. So you want to get it down really, really deep into your fire pit area. And that's probably one of the things that we love about it the most because it's very sturdy. The overall weight of the whole thing is like 27 pounds. And so it's pretty sturdy on its own. It did take us a little while to get this in there, but once you get it in there, then it will allow you a lot of strength and durability simply because it is in the ground. Once we get it down as far as we wanted, then we could put the actual grill grate on top. And this is the beauty of this as well, is there's an angle mechanism to it. So you want to put it on and then you can adjust as high or as low as you need this to go simply by moving it up or down. And so you can put it just right there, and it's just a tensioning mechanism that allows it to stay where you need it to. And then you can put the handle on the end that allows you to swing it over the fire or away from the fire as you want once you have the handle in there. The handle is kind of a rotated area, so it makes it easy to not get hot even though the grill grate might be over the fire. It dissipates the heat really nicely. So it's very minimal setup, and then we use this several times over the fall, especially for oyster season, and it's one of our favorite things to do. We've even taken this to friend's house and set it up over their fire pit because they didn't have anything like this. So it goes with us a lot of places, and it's very durable. We've had it over 3 years, and there's only been a little bit of minimal rust, and that's simply because once we put it out here, we've left it out in the elements. If you bring it inside or bring it under cover, then it will probably last even longer. So we have very minimal rust, but we clean that up every season and we really like it.